What's up, sports fans? I'm Steve D'Elia, and you're watching the Y1 Sports Roundup for Monday, May 27th. Happy Memorial Day, and thank you to all the men and women who have served our country and those who continue to serve it today. First up, Youth 1 stopped into the Rockaway Rampage Memorial Day softball tournament over the weekend, and as usual, it was quite the affair. Several fields played host to one of North Jersey's premier tournaments of the spring, and we've got the full recap online for you today. Check it out and tell us how your team played at your tournaments over the weekend, and maybe you'll see yourself on the roundup. Next up, who says we're not living in a lefties world? Sure, it's harder to write in a spiral notebook, but notable southpaw Evan Eric Longino's skills on the court earned him the 2013 Youthy Award for Basketball Player of the Year. Longino is currently battling an injury, but his outlook on his health proves what a tough and positive young man he is. We caught up with Eric to discuss his reaction to winning the Youthy Award, his love of the game, rehab, and what it takes to be named the top dog on the b-ball court. We hope Evan Eric gets back to full strength soon, and when he does, watch out. And finally, the mind is a terrible thing to waste. That's why MC10 and Reebok have teamed up to create the Check Light headgear. With all the talk of concussion safety on the gridiron, the Check Light is an innovation that's pulled into the station at the right time. This skull cap-like headgear goes on under the football helmet and uses either a yellow or red light that activates on impact to indicate the severity of a hit received by a player. MC10's Director of Business Development, Isaiah Kasavinsky, talked to our Chris Costa about how this helmet can educate players and coaches and make the game safer for everyone. These are just a handful of the coolest stories available today at youth1.com. Remember, get in the game yourself by signing up for our free interactive online community, The Locker Room. If you sign up now, you get access to the free NHL ebook 500 Goals about the game's most prolific goal scorers. And be one of the first 5 girls in any sport to sign in and send in a picture of your toughest game face, and you'll receive one of our Last Fight Like a Girl t-shirts. Remember, if you're an athlete, coach, or parent, youth1.com is the place on the web that's all about you. That's it for today's Y1 Sports Roundup. Stick around for a little bit and celebrate the best of youth sports with us. Until then, I'm Steve D'Elia. Happy Memorial Day, and thanks for watching.